Hello, my name is Celeste Mendoza and I'm currently studying at Celeste College in Cornwall, Ontario, Canada. And this video is to explain why I choose to study here in Celeste College. Well, first of all, I'm studying a 2-year diploma in business. I wanted to study something that was related with my job experience and I was looking for some universities. I saw the opportunity to study abroad and I saw different countries, and one of those was Canada. I visited Canada with my family for like 2 weeks, almost 4 years ago, and I was in love of this country, of all the culture they have, the landscape, all the people that are very friendly here, and it was a very good opportunity. So we began to look for some colleges or universities. I just wanted to have some background to be able to match my work experience with something that I already learned in the college. So that's the reason I decided to study a diploma and not a degree. And I saw St. Lawrence College, I saw their program in business, and it was very interesting. So it was the things that I was looking for. They will give me the theory that I needed, but also a lot of information of the on-hand job. And also it will give me the opportunity to practice my English. I studied English a long time ago in Mexico, but I never had the opportunity to practice it. So I decided that it was going to be a very good opportunity for me and for all my family. We chose Cornwall, that it's one of the campus that St. Lawrence College have, and it's just a little cute town that it's pretty near to Ottawa and to Montreal, and we were just a little bit tired of big cities and we wanted to have a different kind of lives. And location of the campus, it's pretty nice. It's just by the river St. Lawrence. It has such amazing landscapes. The campus is so pretty and beautiful. They have a lot of spaces for the students to use, and we were in love of the city and the campus. So that's the reason we decided to come here. My perspective of studying in St. Lawrence, I believe it's going to be a little bit different from other students, just because I'm thinking also in all my family. I could share with you that this has been an amazing experience. And well, if you're a mature student looking for some place to begin again, and here in Canada and in St. Lawrence College, they are very welcoming, and don't be afraid. It's a challenging experience, but also it's very rewarding. So I hope this video could help you to make the decision to come and just choose Canada and St. Lawrence College. It's a very good option.